Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Why is it the ring light moving? Here we go. I have some intense eye bags and I don't know why, but I thought I'd put a disclaimer out there. I have actually slept pretty well recently, but apparently not. But do you want to tell them what we're doing?
Yes. So, I am a curly girl. Curly police do not come for me. I do have curls. And
Facts.
some waves. All the above.
Facts.
Rhia's also a curly girl. But you wouldn't know that.
I always straighten my hair.
Yeah.
I don't look after my hair. Because it's just long. And then by like day 2 it just looks ugly and then I get all stressed and I want to straighten it anyway, so I just straighten it from the get-go.
Yeah, no, that's valid. I too would straighten if it didn't take so bloody long. My hair just refuses. But yeah, so.
I used to have ringlets as a child, so don't come at me, guys.
Yeah, she really did.
I will insert
There's
a
proof.
picture.
There's proof.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so today I'm gonna try my hair routine on Rhi.
Yes, that is what we're doing.
Yeah, we're gonna see how well it does and see if it brings some of the curl back.
Yeah, I don't really know what's going on today. The thing is, my hair usually goes way curlier than this, but it all just kind of dropped out and I don't know why, so.
Yeah.
I think it's because my hair's getting heavier because it's really long. And I've
Yeah.
not had it cut, so it's not shape. So, my hair's very heavy right now.
You know, we were out in the rain today.
We were.
Wasn't very heavy though, so
No.
everything's still dry. But yeah, let's get started. I feel like I'm doing the most unhinged like Zoella.
I'm scared.
Right, do you want to do this yourself or do you want me to do it?
No, it's fine.
Okay, great.
The only problem is, guys, I got a new bed.
Yeah.
And the end of it is not like on top properly. I don't know why my mattress is bigger than my bed, so I have to sit kind of far back. Otherwise I'm gonna fall.
It's not quite as sturdy as it once was.
No. Not quite.
I mean, it's great to sleep on, it's comfortable.
Oh, it's so comfortable.
I ain't slept on it though, guys, so I wouldn't know actually.
It's so comfortable. Like, it makes me sleep so early.
Right, let me know if I spray in the face and try not to.
That's fine.
Great. You know what, this bottle is actually great for everything. I should have kept mine.
Facts. It's just water, guys. I'm not actually putting set spray in my hair, I promise.
Yeah.
It's just water.
I didn't quite think to explain that.
Yeah, I just thought about it. I was like, hold up. If anyone knows what that bottle is,
Yeah.
that's just water, guys.
But yeah, we want to start as if you've come out the shower but left it for a little bit. Because if you do everything
I was
soaking
going to
wet,
wash
it'll
my
come
hair
out.
today, but my hair was very greasy, so I had to do it like Saturday. It's currently Monday. Also, it's kind of dark outside. It's really gloomy today.
Yeah.
So that's why I lightened a bit off.
The lighting is not quite given.
And if you put like the ring light on full, we'd look crazy.
Oh yeah, no, we tried. We look pale.
Yeah, so.
I am pale, but we look pale.
Yeah, my eye bags looked a bit intense, I can't lie.
Yeah. I can't lie, spraying it's already made some of the bits go curly.
Oh, great. Great.
It's definitely still possible.
Slay.
But yeah. That looked like a lot of water, guys, but we're going for post-shower here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Serums. I use exactly the same ones, which is great.
Yeah.
But yeah, just a good anti-frizz. Let me make sure that's the right way. There we go. I don't want to start squeezing it for it to not come out. Yeah, just a tiny bit of that. My hair's like very thick, so I'm going to start with less.
Yeah, my
if it
hair's
wants to
pretty
open.
thick as well.
Yeah. So I won't go super heavy to start, but then if it needs more, I'll put more in.
Yeah.
But yeah, so start with a couple of serums and treatments.
Badly did her hairstyle serum.
Yeah, man. Yeah, just because I know that the top of your hair can get quite greasy, I'm going to leave that alone.
Yeah.
But yeah, all the ends. Gotta do the ends, guys. Do the ends.
Yeah, definitely do the ends.
Yeah, keep some of the frizz out. Nothing too crazy. Lovely. Have I shot that? Nope.
No, because I always think I have and I haven't. Or I think
Yeah,
I
we
have
did.
and I have. It's so annoying.
Yeah, no, I don't want to do that to you. Yeah. I'm just gonna
I love the smell of that though. It smells
brush
so
it.
good.
Oh, it smells amazing. Yeah, just gonna go through the brush because when you are curly, you know the struggle of not being able to brush your hair every day.
Yeah, that's why it stresses me out.
Yeah, it is an issue.
It gets to the second day, I'm like, I want to do a hairstyle because it looks gross down, but if I put a hairbrush for it, I'm screwed.
No, literally, it's a big problem, guys. I have 2 hairstyles I do, and you've seen both of them.
Yeah. I've seen some quite cute ones online, but then like this part always looks like smooth, and I'm like, oh, how am I going to do that if I don't like brush it?
No, literally, it's like...
So I'm just like stressed. This is why I always either straighten my hair or I leave it in like either like plaits or like heatless curl type deal.
Yeah.
Because I've not really been using heat as much, but I always just leave it in some kind of hairstyle and then wake up and it's fine.
Yeah, that just makes life simpler.
It does for real.
Yeah, so now I have my good frizzy styling spray.
I love the smell of it.
It smells so good. It's gonna smell a bit fainter because I told you earlier I put water in. But yeah, no, I go pretty crazy on mine.
Yeah, I used to when I had one. I used to buy a new one, to be fair. I used to use it all the time when I was younger.
Yeah, no, I only really started using mine like after Christmas.
Okay. I think when I first got it I was like 14, and that was because George used to always use it, and George also has curly hair obviously. And so she was like, oh, you should get one. And then I was like, ooh. And then I just never got another one.
There we go, so some of that.
I'll also insert a picture of my hair curly guys so you don't think I'm lying.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I know technically you're supposed to do all like the sprays and stuff first and then put all the thick stuff in, but I don't roll like that.
That's why.
Old Reliable curl cream. So I'm actually gonna get used to this. So if you just put in like, actually I'll put it on much. If you like flip your head over, rub that together and then like scrunch it from the bottom up. Yeah.
I have so much damn hair.
Yeah, scrunching is the thing.
Yeah, facts.
If you two are a curly girl trying to understand her curls, scrunch at all times.
Yeah, facts.
Scrunch after you've shampooed, after you've conditioned, after your hair is sopping wet out of the shower, after you put every product in if you need to.
You think I need more? You can barely see it because I have so much hair.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Okay.
Right. If it feels like it's too much, it's the right amount.
Oh, that's fair.
Because it's one of them where it doesn't hold without you putting a bit too much in.
Okay.
It's like on this, how much does it even tell you to put in? It's crazy. Oh yeah, use sparingly. Use a pea-sized amount.
Oh!
Because I think that works.
Yeah, I was thinking that definitely won't work.
John Frieda, I have some words for you.
No, these 2 bits of my hair, they never want to go.
Oh no, mine either.
It's so annoying, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always like the underside, there's like one bit and it looks so long and I'm like, no, it's just straight.
Literally, it's just like straight with like tiny bits cold at the bottom.
It's going straight.
Okay.
Yeah. There we go. You know what?
The blood rushed to my head.
You know what? I never see like anything happen like this drastically, just because I'm so used to my hair coming out fully curled anyway.
Yeah, my hair just like, it's half cold but half not, and then like it just goes really weird, like, and then it just ends up going frizzy.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna.
But I think that's just because of how much hair I have. Because it's alright when I cut my hair, then it actually goes pretty curly when I'm out.
Yeah.
But because my hair is long and thick and not in a shape, it kind of goes crazy at the moment.
Finally, gonna get you to do pretty much similar thing, just with a bit of gel and probably a bit less.
Okay.
Because I normally use like a pomade, so it's like hella thick, but
Yeah, this is pretty thick.
yeah.
See you guys. See ya.
See ya.
Oh, because these bits that don't go need to like get out of my face.
Yeah.
Because all I can see.
But, you know, if you're doing it with like soaking wet hair as well, like what you do is you put the gel in, guys, and then once it's dry, your hair's gonna be a bit crunchy, and that's the cast. And then you like scrunch it out. But doing it.
I need to wash my hair soon anyway, so
yeah.
I will tell you guys if I do.
Yeah, doing it like damp or dry works kind of similarly. There we go. But yeah, so all in all, if you want to just kind of pull your hair forward and show the people them.
People them.
The people them. But yeah, there is a difference.
There is a big difference.
But yeah, it's one of those things where it's like if you keep it up, or it's like use slightly less heat.
Yeah.
Then your curl pattern kind of should get back to close to where it started. I mean, not where it
I
started.
was thinking where it started is a long time ago.
You ended up crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, like you'll definitely get like some good like ringlet curls in there. I'm not going to show you guys my hair because it's been a while since I washed mine. Yeah. I'm a hypocrite, but you can see my hair freshly washed in other videos.
Yeah.
And you can see I've been doing the same thing for a long time now.
Yeah, fair. I'll probably wash my hair in the next few days, so
yeah,
tell you guys, or tell you in the next video, or whatever.
Slay. Got your own tutorial video.
Facts. I do need to buy some new products though, but
yeah.
other than that.
I was going to say, my other advice for everyone looking to buy any of these wonderful products out here, if you have family willing to buy them for you for Christmas, ask for them for Christmas or your birthday. Yeah. Because hair care is expensive.
It's so expensive.
Yeah. That's why I envy people with naturally straight hair.
So,
you just got to wash it.
Like literally.
You know, bit of serum and you're good. Yeah. What's it like?
No, for real, what's it like? What's it like? My hair stresses me out so much. And everyone's like, oh, I love your hair. And I'm like,
yeah.
I don't want to talk about how I got to this point.
Yeah, no.
I don't want to talk about it. I also love doing a good hairstyle, so when my hair's curly it stresses me out.
Yeah.
But I do want to go back to it because my natural hair is nice.
I will say, if you ever see a hairstyle with the word messy in it, doing it curly, it's great.
Yeah.
Because you get all the bumps naturally anyway.
Yeah, that's why I always do my messy buns.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, you definitely have like... Because I'm like, it's so much easier to get like the messy look when you've got like curls that start right at the root, and you very clearly do.
So
it's like there's already like wave there.
Oh. Yeah, I will keep you guys updated.
Yeah.
But this is
Slay.
This is it now. Big slay. We ate that up.
The curly queens.
Which everyone thinks I'm not. It's okay, I'll survive. Don't worry.
John Frieda, if you would like to sponsor us, send us a deal.
Please
send us
do.
PR. Please do.
Please do.
Because I love your stuff. And
should we email them?
yes, we should.
Let's email them.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna email them, guys. Pray for us. I don't usually look like this, okay? My skin's also breaking out, so yeah, there's that.
But yeah, guaranteed we will promote your products. We do enjoy them.
Facts, we actually do. They're great.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys needed a routine and you have curly hair, there you go.
Yeah. And if you don't have curly hair and you just wanted to watch a hair video,
thanks.
good for you. Love you. Great.
Thank you.
Yeah. Follow us on TikTok at RHI'S. Follow us on Instagram at RHI'S. Subscribe to us on YouTube.
RHI'S. All of that.
Watch our last vlog. Watch the next one when it comes out next week. What's your favourite?
And tell brands that you want them to work with us.
Yes. Suggest us to brands.
Yes. Because we'll probably want to work with them too.
Shop at Fat Frank's.
Shop at Fat Frank's. It's not festival season, but
when
shop there anyway.
Yeah.
Our baes. We love them so much. They're
do.
great. But yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next week.
Bye.
See ya.